Nearly 90,000 Roman soldiers marched into battle, believing victory was certain. By sunset, more than 50,000 lay dead. One brilliant commander had trapped the greatest army in the world. His name was Hannibal. In 216 BC, during the Second Punic War, the Carthaginian general Hannibal Barca invaded Italy after his legendary crossing of the Alps with elephants. Despite winning several battles, Rome refused to surrender. Determined to destroy Hannibal once and for all, the Romans gathered the largest army they had ever assembled. Nearly 90,000 Roman soldiers marched toward the small village of Cannae in southern Italy. The Roman commanders believed that overwhelming numbers would crush Hannibal's smaller force of about 50,000 men. They expected a quick victory. Instead, they walked into one of history's greatest military traps. Hannibal deliberately placed his weaker infantry in the center of his line. As the Romans pushed forward, the center slowly fell back, forming a curved shape. The Romans believed they were breaking through. In reality, they were marching deeper into the trap. At the perfect moment, Hannibal's veteran African infantry attacked the Roman flanks. At the same time, his cavalry defeated the Roman horsemen and struck from behind. The Roman army was surrounded on every side. There was nowhere to run. For hours, Roman soldiers were crushed together so tightly that many could barely raise their swords. Thousands fell where they stood. By the end of the battle, an estimated 50,000 to 70,000 Romans had been killed. It was one of the bloodiest single days in military history. Although Hannibal never captured Rome itself, his victory at Cannae became legendary. Military commanders from Napoleon to Dwight D. Eisenhower studied his tactics. The double envelopment remains one of the most brilliant battlefield maneuvers ever executed. The Battle of Cannae proved that genius can defeat overwhelming numbers. More than 2,200 years later, Hannibal's masterpiece is still taught in military academies around the world as one of the greatest victories in the history of warfare.